This video is about making changes to the home page, and the home page is pretty similar to other pages with the exception of it's located in a special place. So if we go back to the article manager, if you notice, there is a column in the article manager that says front page, and some of the articles have a check next to it. And basically what that does is that says that anything that has a check to have it appear on the front page, or the front page in this case being the home page. So if I go to About GTAA and open it up, you'll notice that this content is the same as the content that is on the home page. And so whenever you want to change the content on the home page, this is where you go to do it. The second thing is, let's say you wanted to add a picture, like you have a flyer that you need to add. You place your insertion point where you want the ad or flyer to go, and then you click on the image, or I should say the button that says Insert Edit Image. So when I click on that, it opens up the image manager window. And so there are a bunch of different images in here, and if my image was already in here, let's say for example Pastor Pic, if I wanted to insert his picture onto the front page, I would just click insert and it would insert his image. Okay, but let's say that the picture is a new picture, it's never been uploaded to the server. I'm going to undo this. So let's say that it's a picture that's never been added to the server. Well, you go back, you click on that button that says Insert Edit Image, and then what you have to do is you have to actually get the picture and you have to upload it from your computer. So let me close that real quick. Okay, so what you want to do is you click on this little button that says Upload, and then you click to browse pictures. So I'm just going to go in here and you know, for the sake of finding a picture, let's see, I'm going to go to GTAA, get in here, look at pictures. So here's a picture of Pastor in his robe. So I'm going to click on that, click open. Oh, notice that the picture exceeds the maximum allowed size. Okay, that's great because actually it brings up another point. You want to use picture formats, can be JPEGs, PNGs, or .png, or a .gif, okay, a GIF. Those are the formats that you want to use. And also, like, this is a 11 megabyte picture. You don't want to use large pictures. You want to use pictures that are in the, I don't know, 20 to 50, no more than like 50 bytes. You know, the pictures should be small because they're taking up space on the server. So you want to be sure that you convert the picture to a reasonable size. So I'm going to go back in here and do browse. I'm going to find a different picture. I'm not sure if these let me know how big. Okay, so these are like in the 76 or whatever range. So I'm going to go and just use one of these pictures and do open. And then what I'm going to do is, now that I've got it in there, I'm going to click on upload, and it's going to place it on the server. And there's the picture that I uploaded. And so if I click here, and again, you want to click here because just because you uploaded it doesn't mean that it's selected. So you want to click here. Another thing I want to point out is, let's say I want to change the proportions of it, and it goes by pixels. So right now it's like 640 pixels, and let's say, which is kind of big. And so let's say I wanted to just change it to maybe like 100 wide. And this is width by height. So let's say if I want it to be 100 wide, I'm going to do 100. And then when I hit the tab key, because it's proportional is in here, it's checked, it's going to automatically change the height so that it changes the it changes it proportionately, which is what you want. That way you don't have a picture that's distorted. So now that I've gone ahead and I've done that, I'm going to do insert, and there's my picture, and that's what it looks like at 100 by 75. I'm going to undo that real quick and show you what the original picture size is. I'm going to go back and do insert edit image. Now, I've already uploaded the image, so I don't have to go back and upload it again. There's the image that I uploaded before, so I'm just going to click on it. I can see it. I'm not going to make any changes to the dimensions right now. I'm going to leave it as is, and I'm going to click insert. And so this is how the image would look and how big it would be if I left it at that actual size. The last thing I want to show you is that you can actually change the proportions of the image by actually just clicking and dragging on it. So when I click on the image, you'll see that you have these little handles, these little white squares, which are handles that pop up. So the best thing to do is you want to select one of the corners. You can use any corner, and you want to click on that handle and then hold the shift key down at the same time that you click and drag. And so what it's going to do is it's going to change the size of the picture proportionately. In other words, it's going to change the length and the width at the same time. So when I release it, it resizes the picture that way. And that's another way you can quickly resize a picture. Again, I don't want to save any of these changes. So I'm going to just go ahead and close out. And it won't make any changes on the front page. But if you wanted to make the changes, you would click on save, or if you wanted to make the changes and then still see what they look like while you're working with the window open, you would click on apply, and you can flip back and forth and take a look at it.